So ano ba yung mga benefits sa IMG? Basically, IMG is a membership platform. Katulad lang yan ng SNR, Costco, Landers. So, di ba kapag member ka sa doon, meron kang discount and exclusive na access. So, ito yung mga top benefits. Basically, once a member ka ng IMG, number one is you become a saver and investor. Meron kang instant na 1,000 PDF na savings account mo. Then, pwede ka rin mag-top up dito. Share of Manila Bankers and Ramper Financials. And disclaimer lang, IMG site only serves as an access to Ramper Financials. IMG does not sell mutual fund. All mutual funds are sold by Ramper Financials. Number two naman, meron tayong up to 300 free personal accident insurance. Basically, once na member ka na, kung associate ka na, basically meron kang 100K na coverage. Habang tumataas yung ranking natin sa IMG, tumataas din yung coverage natin. So, and meron din tayong 50,000 life insurance, Care of Fidelity Life. Then number 4 and 5, ito naman, pag international member tayo. Ibig sabihin nun, kung OFW tayo, tapos kung halimbawa, Hong Kong based ka, tapos nag-member ka sa IMG na Hong Kong based din. So ito yung mga additional benefit natin. It's around 500K accident death benefit. Tapos meron din tayong 100K na burial benefit. Then ito rin, no? Accidental medical reimbursement benefit of 100,000. If yung IMG member namatay siya dahil sa cause of terrorism, meron ng 600K na matatanggap yung family natin. Same with the unprovoked murder and assault. Tapos ito naman yung accidental disablement benefit if natanggalan ng body parts. Basically, nandito yung mga breakdown. Kunyari, natanggalan ng paa, kamay, etc. Nandito. At the same time, sa number 10 na benefit natin, meron tayong repatriation service. So, as noted dito, if that occurs outside the Philippines, we will assess the repatriation in coordination with Everest Memorial Services. The family may use the death benefit to settle the repatriation expenses. And the repatriation service will be providing by Everest Memorial Service and funded by the death benefit of the PAI or yung personal accident insurance. Next is, ito naman, for the number 11, diba tapos mo na yung workshop 1 to 5, yung tinuturo sa IMG. Usually, ang schedule nun is Monday, Saturday, and Sunday. So kapag tapos na natin siya, pwede tayong magpa-certify as Associate Financial Planner. May review doon and exam. So ito yung mga exclusive na discount natin. Renewal at 1,000 pesos. Number 12 naman, meron tayong free unlimited consultation for members sa Kaiser Medical Center. So, ito yung mga specific na branches for Kaiser Medical Center. SM North, Makati, etc. Number 13 naman, ito, discounted medical services for members. So, meron din tayong discount Care of Kaiser Medical Center. And number 14, meron din discount yung family natin for immediate family members. Ayan. Tapos, number 15 naman, kung malabo na yung mata natin, then we're planning to avail yung services ng vision care. So, libre yung dalawang frame per year. Ang binabayaran lang natin is yung lens. Tapos, number 16, legal assistance. So, meron tayong free legal consultation of 45 minutes per session for 2 sessions per year. Diba? Kumbaga, you can talk to the attorney kung meron kang mga legal na concerns para 'di ba ma-address siya. And then next is eto naman number 17, meron tayong binibigay na free 20K PAI for the personal accident insurance sa mga ma-educate natin. Kunyari meron kang family, friends na na-sharean mo about IMG benefits, Kaiser benefit, etc. So, pwede mo rin silang bigyan ng free 20K personal accident insurance. Fill up lang sila ng form, tapos, fill up yung necessary details from there and ano siya, hintayin lang ma-release yung COC or Certificate of Coverage. Number 18 naman, meron tayong ding libro. So, Eto, you can buy this one, yung physical copy, ₱100 sa financial center. Ma-access din natin siya sa IMG portal natin, yung soft copy, okay. Then, free financial video. So, may mga episode tayo 1 to 9, 'no, ma-access din natin siya sa portal. Kunyari, meron kang gustong share na about the importance of healthcare, life insurance, et cetera, eto na, puwede nilang panoorin 'to. Number 20, ito yung sinasabi ko, if you want to be educated financially, matuto ka pa about different topics, kunyari, asset preservation, mutual fund investing, et cetera. Ito, pwede kang mag-attend usually Saturday, it's around 9:30 AM. Tapos 'pag Sunday naman, 5:30 PM Manila time. So ito yung mga specific workshop na na-breakdown yung mga topics, yan. Then 26 naman, meron tayong free ebook insurance licensing examination reviewer. So 'di ba, if you're planning na to offer life insurance products and services sa mga kakilala mo, so dapat mag-review tayo and mag-exam sa insurance commission para we can offer these products. Yan. Then financial checkup. 'Di ba usually sa company na pinagtatrabahuhan natin merong AP or yung annual physical exam para to gauge kung healthy pa ba tayo or meron bang i-a-avoid na food. For the financial checkup naman, check natin kung negative or positive yung cash flow natin and ano yung mga next action step natin. 28 naman, if you're planning na to avail long-term healthcare, yung 7 years to pay plan, short-term care, yun yung renewable bayad ka every year. Senior care, so for renewal na lang ito, no? Ibig sabihin yung mga old clients before, pwede na-accept pa sila, pero for new clients, 'di na sila nag-a-accept until further notice. And life insurance products and services. So, ayan, kung naghahanap ka ng term insurance na high coverage, tapos cheap premium, 'no? So, pwede kang mag-avail care of Manila Bankers. Then 30 naman, if you're looking to grow further yung pera mo, 'no, pwede kang, mag-member ng IMG, tapos may free investment seminar tayo, care of Ramper Financials. Nagtuturo sila sa mga financial center, may mga Zoom na webinar sila, just so aware tayo ano ba yung mga market updates. Then ito naman 31, so zero entry fee on all mutual funds sold by Ramper. Ibig sabihin kasi, puwede ka namang dumirect dito, eh, sa mga kumpanya na 'to. The thing is merong entry fee, usually 3 to 5% depende sa mutual fund. Whereas kung zero entry fee, walang charge, lahat ng pera mo buo mong mabibili ng shares. Yun yung kagandahan sa IMG. Tapos 32, Care of My Trade. Then yung bagong partner ni IMG, U-Trade. So, kung gusto mo ikaw yung mga magbili ng shares sa Jollibee, SM, et cetera. So, eto, Year of My Trade naman. Then, moving forward, ito na ang Palawan Express. So, kunyari, nasa province ka, gusto mo magbayad ng Kaiser Premium mo, Manila Bankers Premium mo, et cetera. So, meron din tayong mga specific discount dito sa Palawan Express. Then, Memorial Concierge, basically sila yung planner sa Memorial. So, and then marketplace. So dito puwede kang magbenta, bumili ng property mo, to buy your brand new car, and nandiyan na rin yung mga specific affiliate link ng mga kakilala natin. Kunyari gusto mong mag-avail ng healthcare, life insurance, as long as licensed na sila, so ma-access mo siya, nandito lahat. Then IMG Movies, so meron din tayong ano dito 'no, access para to educate more families about yung tinuturo natin na financial literacy campaign. And then 37 'no, kung meron kayong kotse, bahay, property, mag-avail ka ng travel insurance, non-life insurance basically, you can have discount here as well. Tapos 38, kung balak mong bumili ng property mo from this developer, so care of Ramper Realty. Yan, makaka-discount ka rin diyan and magkakaroon ng commission. Tapos kung marami ka na-acquire na assets and gusto mong gawing korporasyon, so that puwede siya, care of APS by IMAX, ayan. And then kung plano mo ring bumili ng car, brand new car, any model, any brand, so meron din tayo. na discount dito. Ayan, may mga specific step naman kung papaano. Tapos 41, be in the financial industry. Maganda kasi dito is, hindi lang tayo limited within the Philippines. Kung meron kang mga kakilala outside the country. So, yung market mo is worldwide. Then number 42, travel the world. May mga conventions tayo, mga specific runs, ayan. And then ito na, world class recognition, and merong pins, watch, rings, yan. Builder's Rolex watch, and world class recognition, nagbibigay din yung ng car. Ito rin yung maganda sa number 48. If you're doing the IMG business, meron din tayong free HMO coverage for MDs, SMDs, and executives. Meron lang ding specific na requirement for that to qualify. Then, powerful members portal, basta meron kang internet, no, access mo siya, yung portal mo, ano ba yung mga benefit doon, dashboard, etc. Tapos daily whoosh, newsletter, and emails. Mache-check din natin siya on a day-to-day basis. Tapos Cash, ito naman yung online facility natin. Receive IMG commission and payments, pay bill through kiosk, transfer fund, etc. And the Dominate tool, ito yung mga 9 powerful feature of Dominate. Yan, pwede ka mag-create ng website mo, follow up, etc. Yan. So ito yun, breakdown naman siya dito. Tapos yan, email marketing, affiliate link. So meron ng specific URL sa mga IMG member. Ayan, may live webinar, pwede kang mag-create doon. Yan, pre-recorded, survey form, events, stat report, and free short courses from our dominate mentors and many more. Yan. Tapos care of Sir Jomar Hilario, yung digital marketing certification courses. Then content copywriter certification, care of Sir Alan Ngo. Then exclusive money platform, meron din tayong mga Visa card, tapos exclusive events, ito yung mga specific training sa mga countries or areas na available, no? Exclusive brands and contests. Tapos ito yung business ownership. So you can earn while you share yung financial concept na tinuturo natin. Yan. If you have questions, concerns, paano mag-member ng IMG, I'll link the details in the description below para mag-guide namin kayo. Thank you.